They say the price of my troll's not a price that they're willing to pay. Insane! You cheat by ignore, now I'm begging for likes and for subs. I'm so blue. I thought that we made an arrangement to take your flex away. You were not a wholesome dude. Even in a toxic environment, I got a small query for you. What the nux? I can't dream. Do you know how hard it is to meme? You're on your own. Awesome! Wow! Do you know a clue what happens now? Memes will rise, haters fall. You can't flex with no one at all alone across the web. When Billy says he hates you, don't come crawling back to me. Da 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 da.